Behind the scenes of shooting with scuba.
Hey guys. Oh, there's a car. Almost got ran over. Almost got killed for your vlog. Yeah, so today we're gonna be installing your coilovers, and I don't even know what I'm doing, to be honest. I think I'm really just here for moral support and to order DoorDash, pretty much. That's pretty much what I'm here for.
That's all we need them for.
Mark and Darren are gonna be doing all the heavy lifting. So okay, so yeah, I don't really know what else to say about your car. So why are we doing all of this, by the way? Why are we
doing
installing
all of
your
this
coilovers?
all of a sudden because of the Honda meet that's
right,
coming
exactly.
up.
We're gonna be there. Catch your boys out
We're
there.
gonna be in an Airbnb. Are you going?
So I might have to go to my lady's birthday party that day, but I'm gonna try and go out there with these guys, have a good time, and then fly in my car all the way back to South Florida and have some birthday festivities.
You know what would be great is if you took your lady out there for her birthday.
When she does parties, she goes all day of getting it ready, all that stuff.
Is it like a Spanish thing?
It's a her thing. I'm trying to get her to do party planning actually, so maybe by the time this comes out, I might have a link for you guys to hit her up to throw some parties. She does some pretty dope parties.
Y'all gonna be hearing some suavemente, suave.
All night. That's all you're gonna see all night. Oh.
Yeah. So
have fun with that.
What are your thoughts on this whole Asian hate thing?
I think it's messed up. I think that the whole Asian hate thing comes from ignorance, basically. It's the same reason why people hate any race in the world, right? Any person that hates another person simply because of their race, I just think it's the most ignorant thing in the world, you know what I'm saying? And honestly, I hope that it stops. Like, I hope that we could all put an end to it.
Stop Asian hate.
Yeah, and I hope that in our lifetime it will come to an end. You know, there's definitely a lot of people who are willing to step up and take that stand, so I hope that it does stop very soon.
Yeah. So I got this thread out.
I think try twisting it. That's on it.
Ooh.
Strength. Alright, so we're getting the front control arm ready. This foolproof packaging.
Oh yeah, baby. I need the other one. This one's for the right side.
Pass me the controller.
Pass me the other controller.
Yes, sir.
L for Lingenfelter.
I agree. Lingenfelter probably.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Just jam it in there.
I don't think I brought mine.
We're also installing the lower control arm. It's from Moog. It's probably next best to OEM.
Right in here. You can even see how that dust that comes out of it. And it's torn, so
it's always recommended to change your lower control arm, guys. What are you doing?
I'm making sure they're about the same height. So we go to like lower the car or whatever, we're not like too far off. Can I finish this one in? Of course, but it's not a backwards thread.
So I just gotta ask Mark to just bang out the upper control arm, and then we could just release the bolts. And I guess he'll do the same with the lower control arm as well. The lower control arm bushing on this side looks messed up too.
Yeah.
It's like cracked and stuff.
Yeah, I think both of them were making noise.
That's probably why you're getting that popping and stuff.
So what'd you do so far?
I did I'll do this again. I did the lower control arms, upper control arms, and the coilovers.
And what are we gonna do now?
Eat
some papas. And Steven's over there working on the other side, so once Mark gets to that side, it'll be loose like a goose.
Damn, Darren. You're a frog in the grass, dog.
Ribbit.
A bullfrog after that.
Wow.
255, 35?
255, 35.
Right there, man.
Wow, this is perfect fit, man. I can tell you did your homework with this one.
His verbiage is just so good.
Yeah, my vocabulary. If you look here, the wheels kind of touch it, and it's a little bit of space. But we just gonna level out back and then see if it look better. I don't know yet, man.
Steve is like, you see, we're going.
So as you can see, we lowered the front about 2.76 inches, not quite 2 3/4 yet. Right. Where did your accent come from, bro? I don't understand. You don't talk like this.
21.7.
21. Okay, hey mom. So today we lowered Darren's car, yeah.
Go get the drink. Alright guys, if you ever need a cup holder, RE30s. Perfect cup holder. Look at that. While he's dying over here.
I took a second bite too.
Here's the car lowered. Alright, this is day number 2. The car is finally lowered. We just kind of washed it, semi-washed it.
Yeah, because it got some weird sticky stuff on it earlier.
Sticky.
Whatever that was. Step in there barefoot countryman style.
This is how you drive a car. Yardman style.
I'm gonna do your alignment. At least set it to toe and go. I can adjust your boot because it's spinning with the inner tie rod. I don't know. I think I'm pretty sure I'm doing it right. I've done enough alignments to know, but this is making me feel stupid. Because every time I adjust the inner tie rod, the boot is spinning with the tie rod to where it'll spin it back to where it was before.
To my surprise, while we were working on the TSX, Scuba showed up. I was supposed to drop off the gift that we got him to the soccer field. but he's here now.
Hey guys, so to my surprise, I actually got a gift, and I don't even know what it is yet. I'm guessing you guys probably do, but I don't know what it is. So
You can't open it.
yeah, I can't open this until Darren gives me the go ahead. So I guess you guys are gonna find out what
You
this
gotta
is
wait until I
before do.
upload the video, and then you can.
Of course. So you have to let me know when you upload your video. Wait, but what if I watch your video before unboxing this?
I'll text you before I upload it.
Okay, alright, bet. So that's it. I shouldn't have even told them. I should have said nothing. I should have just done it, right? So there's 2 boxes here. Like I said, you guys know what they are. I don't know what they are. This one feels kind of heavy. Like
It's a lamp from Home Goods.
Okay, that's what I thought it was. I wasn't gonna say anything, and I'm not exactly sure what this one is.
Steven doesn't know what it is, guys.
No, yeah. So anytime I get new stuff, I'm happy. I'm just really happy that Dan and Amir surprised me with this. So thank you guys. I really do appreciate it. I don't know.
And we appreciate you. You know, you've been a blessing to us over these past years, as we all, you know, are thanking you with these gifts.
Hey man, it's all love.
You know what I'm saying, dog?
I do what I can for the homies, just like Panda. I do what I can for the homies, just like you guys do.
Yep.
Just like anybody else out there in the world, you know. Chivalry is not dead. Help your homies out when you can, and yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Don't expect anything though. Don't do stuff just to get stuff. You know what I mean? But just, you know, if you can help somebody out, no matter who it is, help them out if you can. They'll come back tenfold.
So he deserves this lamp.
It's like a lava lamp, to be honest.
Yep. There you go. Got it from Spencer's.
Yeah.
That was a weird way. I was supposed to drive to the soccer field.
Yeah.
And drop it off to him, but
So what happened was, I wanted to see how the TSX looked.
Yeah.
Darren sent me photos. It looked amazing. I wanted to see it in person for myself. It looks so much better in person. And yeah, I can't wait to see it drop back on the ground. Panda's still under there doing some work, making some final adjustments to it so that Darren can drive it. But it looks amazing.
yeah, he brought out the big wrenches. This car's for sale. You want to buy it? It's for sale. It has a lot of suspension stuff on it. It doesn't come with those lights, but it comes with stock OEM lights.
Yeah, it's smooth.
Still pulls, but it's
like
bad. Yeah, it's not
it's
bad.
tolerable. Last night was like, you want to turn right? Like, no, I don't. I want to go straight. I'm trying to hold it level.
Drives good, sturdy.
Still.
And it's only in the middle.
Oh really?
Yeah,
Wow.
we set it 15 from the hardest.
It still feels really smooth. What was the camber? More?
-3 in the back.
Just 3 flat?
Yeah, well, that's what the iPhone tells me.
So I mean, sure, it's pretty close.
Yeah.
Right.
Anything is loud.
Yeah, it's super loud.
If anything, I'd say stiff in the rear.
It's different in the rear.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
And leave the front as is until you feel like the rear is solid. You don't want the rear too solid to where like it just like.
These are by 938.
I don't want to be a hot boy anymore. I'm not into stance. I'm building a track car.
And then I still keep those wheels.
Keep super aggressive wheels that don't fit.
The reason why I kept them is because they're really rare still.
So Scuba and I are trying to convince us to just get some nice simple RPF ones because they're super duper light. Best bang for your buck.
I
Versus
agree.
track tires.
I agree. And then so we suggested getting RPF ones for his track wheels.
And he's like, oh no, everyone has RPF ones. Oh.
So what wheels does he say he's gonna get?
T37s?
The whole world is on T37.
So he won't track RE30s, but he will track TE30s.
Oh my god.
We're gonna add a new segment to our vlogs. We're gonna call it Darren Logic.
It's gonna be.
You gotta call it D Logic.
D
D-Logic.
D's logic.
He's already even thought
D's
about it.
logic.
We're gonna try to pick Darren's brain and figure out what he's thinking because I
Yeah, we're not being logical.
Exactly.
We're just not being logical at all.
Yes.
Why would I get nice, comfortable, light, affordable RPF ones for the track on good tires? Instead, I'm gonna ball out, buy $4 grand worth of wheels, and then buy another set of Michelin Pilot Sport AS3s, because that's how you make money, right? I'm a daily on these. Why would you daily your track tires?
And that is today's segment of D's Logic.
These crazy.
Alright guys, so we're all done with the alignment, the install of the coils, the install of the camber arms, and that will wrap up this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to like, subscribe, and subscribe to these guys too. They're my friends. Well, he's my cousin.
I'm technically like family at this point.
Yeah.
I've been to like a majority of the big family events,
I would say so.
and no one's questioning it. They're like, oh yeah, look.
Like, oh, it's Mark. Oh, it's there.
Hey,
Yeah.
what's up, guys?
As a matter of fact, when Mark's not there, they're like, yo, where's Mark?
So weird.
How do you use this thing again?
You line. You can find me at youtube.com/pandadaze, PANDADAZE, like one big compound word.
Where can they find you?
Well, it depends on where they're looking.
OnlyFans.
I don't got one of those. Sorry. You can find me at Scuba on Instagram and YouTube.
Scuba _
Yeah. Somewhere else it is Scuba. Oh yeah, Facebook. That's where it is. Might be on
You
Twitter.
got
too.
Facebook?
I think so.
You old.
Y'all, I would tell you guys on MySpace, but I don't remember what it is.
My top 25 for MySpace? Or yeah, you top 8 or
You had 25 friends on MySpace?
yeah.
Damn, you popular.
Mark Zuckerberg ain't got nothing on me.
Wait, MySpace. I'm
Facebook.
Well, you said MySpace. We were talking about MySpace before. You
Tom Zinkernicki? What's his name?
What?
Is that his name?
How'd you go
This
so
has been
far?
another episode of D's Logic.
D's Logic. Mark Zuckerberg, Tom Zinkernicki.
Tom Zinkernicki.
Is that his
Zucchini
name?
squash burger. What the? Is you just saying vegetables? What is this? What is going on? It was got a Z. I know a zebra cake. What?
What can we expect from your channel, Steve?
So, if you guys want to see what I got going on, I'll probably be opening whatever this gift was that these guys got me. So,
Yeah.
it's gonna be pretty sick.
Yeah.
So I can't wait to see what it is. Probably some more S2000 content, some more M2 content. If you guys haven't checked it out as yet, go check it out if you want to.
I mean, people still inboxing me about your hair treatment regimen. Tell you, dog, they need to know your regimen, dog. Look at the waves. look how the light hits his waves. You see that thing? Look at the natural waves. Look at that.
Yo, see, so look, it did settle a lot more. Look at it.
Oh yeah, it did settle.
It settled even more. Look how sick that is.
This is perfect, baby.
Yeah, that's really sick, yo. That looks amazing. I think it looks perfect. But do you think that this is gonna be dailyable to Miami and back every day?
It's
gonna be like
just
this.
Fine. This is not just like this. This was on the floor. You broke your bumper in like 2 miles. This is gonna be a better build. You're gonna have a fiberglass bumper. You're gonna have a nice OEM lip kit on there. You're like, damn, that's a clean TSX. He's not even like slammed. He's just like lowered, slightly lowered. The perfect amount of wheel gap in the rear. A good amount of space in the front to have go full lock. Like, bro, what do you want more from this? Like, you're gonna hit it on the track one time, hit PBIR, time attack, and be like, you guys are right. It's good. I'm telling you. Just fix the toe on a machine with lasers because I have regular human eyes. And
Really? I didn't even notice that.
yeah, I'm not the $1 billion man. I wish.